Welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So today, you guys, I am going to try out this from Ruby Kiss. It's a tinted moisturizer foundation, and I have mine in 345. This is it, you guys. So this is what I am going to try out on the face today. So I just want to welcome you to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome, and for my old and die-hearted subscriber, I also want to welcome you. So this is the foundation, tinted moisturizer foundation, that I'm going to use on my face. So before I do, I'm gonna apply this primer from elf. It's a vitamin C in it. It do brighten your face, so I'm gonna apply some underneath my eyes here and all over my face, so I can apply a tinted moisturizer foundation. And you can see my face is already bright, but I am still applying this to the face. So this is the primer that I am applying. And these brush, I bought them from Timo, which is so good, you guys. I end up wash them though before I use them. So this is it. So you can see I haven't done my brow or anything. So we're gonna go into the foundation here and try it out. This one is in 345. This is what I'm going to use, and I think this would match my skin tone. So let's put some on the back of my hand right here. So this is what I'm going to use today on the face. I'm gonna use this to tap it on my face. Also put some around here and this side also on the face. So guys, I still gonna add some more of this. And you can see this is my first coverage here for my face. Look really smooth on the skin. And I'm just gonna add some more. As I said, it's a tinted moisturizer. I feel really light on the skin. We're going to add some concealer underneath the eyes, not much. I am also going to use this from Remo. Put it up here. And I'm going to use the same brush to blend out darker concealer to contour my nose a bit. Concealer there, so this concealer can really set in the skin. Contour to lift the face. So I'm gonna go over here, and you can see I haven't done my brows or anything. I shave my brows, you guys always does like that. So I'm gonna blend out the concealer in the middle here, and you can see I'm using the same brush to do everything right now. Gonna blend out my nose also with the concealer. Underneath my eyes. So now I am going to use this, and this is from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use this here. It's a little bit on the rough side, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm picking up some of this contour, powder contour for my cheek here. My brow, and then I'm gonna return. This is my face with the Ruby Kiss Tinted Moisturizer. I have mine in 345. I don't really put much on my face. I just use this and a little bit of setting powder from Revolution underneath my eyes, a little bit of bronzer, and just a little bit of blush. So that's what I use on the face. But this really turned out good. It gives me a medium coverage that I really want. So I really like how it turned out. I like how it look on my skin. It's not too heavy or too thick. Thank you so much again for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye for now.